On this table, I have every single ingredient I could possibly find at the Peachybbies warehouse, and today I want to combine them all into one mega slime. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is probably gonna look like a big, brown, gooey mess. You're probably right, but that's not what I'm doing. What I am gonna do is make 6 different slimes with all of my different textures and colors and combine them all into one giant, groovy looking slime that's using every ingredient we have here at Peachybbies. Starting with red. Here I have my red pigment. I also have a ton of different red dyes. We're also gonna use pink, and I have every possible red charm, as well as all of our red sprinkles. First, we're gonna start off with the pigment. I kinda wanna add just a tiny little scoop. All right, a little bit of that. Picked a Snow Fizz because I feel like it's the most satisfying in crunches. Let's add a little bit of red. We're also adding watercolor. I love how the dye looks with the pigment as it's mixing. Now we're gonna do pink, which is probably one of my top 2 colors. I feel like it's gonna look super groovy. Let's mix it. Right now it's just looking bloody and weird, but I know it's gonna look super pretty once it's mixed. We have this really nice color. It kind of looks like a mix of red and fuchsia. I'm really happy with it, so let's add our charms. Honestly, what does this look like to you guys? It looks red, but it also looks like a bright pink. I can't tell. I went to Charmville and I found every red charm that we own. So let's start off with this little flying heart. Let's add him right to the center. And now I kind of want to sprinkle all the berries on there. Okay, but this one's my favorite. A nice little mushroom home. Now let's sprinkle in all of our red sprinkles. There's some mushrooms, some strawberries. All right, I'm gonna set this aside, and now we're gonna move on to our orange slime. For orange, I went for a bingsu. I really want it to be bright and pop. We're gonna start off again with some pigment. What I don't want for this slime is to look like a giant Cheeto. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this pigment. Let's add some watercolor, this dye, and I feel like this peach will kind of tone it down a bit so that it doesn't look like a Cheeto. All right, let's give that a mix and see what color we get. Don't get me wrong, if it does look like a Cheeto, I'm not gonna be mad about it. I knew it. I knew this would happen. You gotta be honest here, that looks like a Cheeto. Now that we have a beautiful Cheeto slime, let's add our sprinkles. We have a variety of different themes. We have a pretzel. Let's add our pretzel right in the center. What is this? Like a bear bread. We have a sun. Ooh, a little cat and a pumpkin. Cheese. This officially makes this a Cheeto slime. Sprinkle this on. Well, there is our beautiful orange Cheeto looking creation. The next slime we're doing is gonna be yellow. Yellow is such a wholesome color. The color of the sun. It's the color of bananas. You know how we feel about bananas here at Peachybbies. If you know, you know. Instead of starting with the pigment, just to change things up, I'm gonna start off with some dye. Ooh, I really like this one right here because it's like gold. Ooh, I'm gonna add a generous amount of this one. It's so pretty. This one right here is neon. So we already know this slime is gonna be extremely bright. All right, that's good. I also went for an icy because I feel like with the yellow, it's gonna look kind of like shaved ice a little bit. Anything lemon, I'm in love with. So this is gonna be the perfect texture. Ooh, that's already looking so pretty. So far, it looks kind of like a pastel yellow. I'm hoping to get a nice bright lemon color. What we don't want is mac and cheese. We have our nice yellow slime. I just realized that it even matches my apron. This is my slime of the day. For the charms, we have some really nice bananas. So we have bananas, a pineapple. It's kind of like a tropical slime. Let's add these happy faces because yellow is such a happy color. All right, now we're gonna add our little pineapple chunks and sprinkle all of our hearts and tiny lemons. This slime is making me happy. It's so pretty. This is our final product. I'm just gonna call it the happy slime. Moving on to green. Whenever I think of green, I think of golf courses. That's why I chose Flown, because of all of the little golf balls. Right, Jesse?
That's right.
All right, let's start off with a nice little boop of green. When I think of green, I think of all the beautiful plants out there. It makes me want to go on a walk. I could just go on a walk and make this slime. Nah, I'll just stay here. Let's add some neon. We need to pop a color in there. We can't forget our watercolor. I kind of want to go for a limey looking slime because I love limes. In fact, I add lime to everything. I add it to my rice. I add it to my water. They're really good for you. Okay, this is a bit darker than I wanted, but it's okay. It's more like of a dino green. Let's hope that the white of the slime will make it turn into a nice lighter shade. All right, we have a really nice shade of green right here. Let's see what we have for our charms. Of course, we have have a nice big lime. This one I'm so excited about because we just released a brand new alien axolotl slime. So of course, we have to add our little alien axolotl. A plant. Ooh, this plant is like, she's super cute. A perfect, nice leaf. I didn't even know we had this charm. A kiwi. I love kiwis. Frogs and turtles. Oh my God, a dino drinking boba. Now let's sprinkle on all of our monies. Money, we have aliens, we have some trees. And to top it off, I'm gonna add this leaf. This one is probably my favorite slime out of all the ones we've made so far. The next one is my favorite color, so might even top this one. For blue, I'm gonna go with a cloud dough. I wanna make it look like the clouds. I have a variety of blue colors. For this one, I just kind of wanna add a little drop of each one, because for all of them, I've kind of gone crazy and just added a ton, so let's chill out for this one. Same for the watercolor. And for the pigment, we're changing it up, and I'm just gonna use my finger. It's kind of like our needle of pigment TikTok, where we just added the smallest bit. Let's mix. We're working with a lot of slime here, so I think I'm going to achieve that color that I want. Okay, this is looking super nice. Let's see how it looks with the drizzle. Wow. It's so pretty. This is such a calming, beautiful color. I really love it. Now, for our little charms, we have a blue llama, a blue dino, some little Fruit Loops. I've never seen this charm before. It's like a little bottle of shampoo. Of course, a cloud, some candy, blue axolotl. Sprinkle this awesome blue mix. Oh my gosh, we even have a dreidel. That's so fun. This is a very calming but fun looking slime. I love how it turned out. But now the last one is gonna be super beautiful, and that is purple. For our last color, we have purple, and I kinda wanna create like a lavender shade, kind of like our Distresto. I'm gonna add a tiny little happy face. Also gonna press down on my slime just like that, and then do kind of like a drippy effect. That looks kind of fun. It's like a flower. And now I'm gonna use my pigment. For this pigment, I'm gonna do tiniest bit, because I do wanna create more of like a lavender shade. You know what? Let's give him some hair. He looks so happy, but he's about to get squished, which is all right, because we're gonna create a really nice purple slime. The really fun part about this whole concept is that you get to see all the colors mix in. This is also something really fun that you guys can do at home. You just need all the colors of the rainbow, or whichever colors you'd like, and you can create a giant rainbow slime. I'm super happy with this shade of purple. I'm gonna create a really nice swirl, and now let's place all of our purple charms. Of course, we have the one and only lavender axolotl. Seriously, guys, you wanna collect all of the axolotls because they are all so fun and unique looking. We have a purple flower, ice cream, a little gummy bear. This is the cutest little cat. He's like holding a cherry, some stars, a game controller. Honestly, all of these charms so far match the color of the slime perfectly. I don't know what this is. It looks kind of like a little chocolate. Let's add our sprinkles. This is such a fun looking slime. I love that it looks like so soft, and it has like a really nice light shade of purple, but it also has a pop of dark purple in there. It's just the perfect purple slime. Now let's get all of our other slimes and place them together to make one mega slime that uses all of our ingredients. I have all of my slimes here, so now let's add them to our bowl. We're gonna start off with the red. I wanna make it look nice and pretty, so kind of want to place it in like different little sections. Let's add our orange. Let's just like squish it in there like that. Let's go for our yellow. I feel like the slimes are just getting bigger and bigger. Our green. I hope these all fit in here. All right, let's do our blue. All right, and our purple. I feel like our purple doesn't fit now. We're just gonna have to squish it in there. Okay, those are all of our slimes in one container, but I think I might have missed some charms, so let's add a few more. I'm gonna sprinkle some of these yellow, happy faces, and lemons, a bit of orange, a little bit of red. This is our final slime using every single ingredient I could possibly find. Literally every dye, every charm, every single ingredient here at the Peachybbies warehouse is in this bowl. I know that in the beginning of this video, I said that I wouldn't mix it all together, but come on, I can't help myself. It's so satisfying. Ooh. I also love seeing all the textures mixing. This is so cool. All right, I'm gonna get it out of the bowl. This right here looks awesome. I'm gonna make one giant, all ingredient burrito. Ooh, that's so satisfying. It's like taffy. Oh my gosh. That looks insane. I love slime. I swear you guys have to try this at home. You need to mix all of the textures, all of the dyes. It's just such a fun experience. There you go, guys. Our beautiful all-ingredient slime. It reminds me of a sorbet, and I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment which color of the slimes was your favorite, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!